We're hand sewing knit fabric in this sewing report quick tip. You can't do a regular running stitch on stretchy fabric because they'll pop. All you need is fabric, a needle, thread, and scissors. Here's what I ended up doing. I doubled up my thread and tied a knot by rolling it in my fingers. Put your knit fabric right sides together and insert the needle where you want the stitching to start. Tip: don't start too close to the edge of the fabric. This is called your seam allowance. You want at least 1/4 to 1/2 inch seam allowance. Insert the needle and run it through the fabric out the other side, then back to the side you started on, creating a small stitch. You can space them out wider, but you don't want huge gaps in the stitching. Now's the fun part. Loop the thread over the seam allowance and back into the same spot on the other side of the fabric. Then do another stitch the same distance apart as the first one. Repeat. Watch what I'm doing if you're having trouble with this. Check it out, it stretches with the fabric, no breakage here. Now that we've practiced, let's move on to the legit project, fixing my sweat and sew tank top. I used a contrasting thread so you could see better, but you'll want to use a matching thread. It looks like a running stitch, just with your own hand-sewn overlocking on the edges. Enjoy this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the Sewing Report for sewing, crafts, and DIY projects.